Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to another episode of Inspirational Moments with Akua being your boy. We are here to launch Finding Peace in the Midst of Loss, and it's a 10-day devotional designed to guide anyone navigating the storm of grief, whether you've lost a loved one, a relationship, or even something intangible like a dream. Grief can overwhelm us, but this devotion is here to remind you that you can find peace, hope, even in the most darkest moments. Because for me, in all my darkest moments that life has thrown at me, I found God. I discovered that grief does not have to be carried alone. I found peace, not in my own understanding, but that in everything that happened to me, in acknowledgement that God was near, He met me in my brokenness, and little by little, I began to heal. So one may ask, this devotional, Finding Peace in the Midst of Loss, was born out of a journey and is out of a desire to share comfort and hope as I found God to those who are also grieving. So what does a devotion aim to do, one may ask? Finding peace in the midst of loss is a 10-day journey designed to bring you closer to God as you walk through your grief. Each day offers you a short devotional thought, scripture, reflection, questions, and a prayer. The goal is simple: to remind you that God is close to you in that moment. Even in the pain, there is hope for your healing. The devotional is not to rush you through your grief or minimize everything that you're feeling about it. It's about acknowledging your pain. It's about honoring the love that you have lost. It's about finding comfort in the truth that God is with you. Over the course of these 10 days, we'll explore topics such as resting in God's presence, releasing your emotions, and finding strength in His promises. It's a journey that encourages you to take things one day at a time, trusting that each day God is holding you up. So my message to you today is, I know that grief can make you feel like the ground has shifted beneath your feet, leaving you without direction, without hope. But my dear listener, God sees you. He knows your pain. He feels it right there with you. This devotional is my gift to you. Let it be a companion in your healing journey. I pray this brings you peace and the strength you need in these difficult times. If you know someone who is struggling with loss, I invite you to share this 10-day journey with the person. You are not alone, and together God can help us find peace in the midst of the storm. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's special edition of Inspirational Moments with Akua. I'm beyond grateful for each and every one of you. Finding peace in the midst of loss is now available. It's free. You can download it in the link that will be in the description below, and also all links will be shared on my social media handles. If you know someone that you can share this with, let's spread the message of peace and healing. And always feel free to reach out to me in my email and on all my social media handles. And if you need a prayer, know that we'll always be there to share a prayer with you. Until next time, God bless you, keep you, stay tuned, have a blessed day. Bye.